Good morning, dear brother, corresponding Gio, One Philippine News, Texas. I'm here in Linda's Cafe. Miss Emily, Liano. Miss Emily, what can you say about Linda's Cafe? Okay. Okay, go.
Itong sinasabi ko, tapos...
Yan. Hindi yan mga ano rin yan. Yan, i-promote mo yan.
Oh,
Yeah.
congratulations, Mr. Gio.
So what's that?
You're awesome talaga, Mr. Gio.
Yeah.
Siya yung correspondence ng... Ano ba?
West Texas.
West Texas. Oh.
Amarillo, Midland, Labac. Yan. So what can you say about Linda's Cafe?
Linda's Cafe is awesome too as well. So, punta na kayo dito at try nyo ang Linda's Cafe.
So what is your message to One Philippine Newspaper?
Ay, siyempre, maganda naman yung newspaper tayo para maano yung anong tawag doon?
Ma-circulate mga news
yung
about
news.
may spread.
Yun. Yun lang.
That's it. Thank you very much, Miss Emily.
Welcome.
Mabuhay Pilipinas. Yan.
Yay!
Corresponding Gio, One Philippine News. Yan. Thank you. God bless us all.
Nakaganon ako.